In 2026, Lamborghini stunned the world inside its private luxury showroom in Bologna. Guests expected a new supercar, but instead a massive covered shape waited under glowing lights. When the cover lifted, the crowd fell silent. Before them stood the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome, a carbon fiber giant shaped with the aggression of an Aventador and the elegance of a luxury suite. Eye-shaped LEDs wrapped around its body, and aerodynamic fins gave it a futuristic stance. Cameras flashed, influencers gasped, and collectors whispered in disbelief. Lamborghini had done the unthinkable, turned a supercar's soul into a moving mansion. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome looked nothing like a traditional RV. Its exterior was a masterpiece carved from matte carbon fiber, with sharp Lamborghini angles that sliced through the air. The front carried the iconic Y-shaped LED headlights, stretched wide across an aggressive hypercar-inspired grille. Aerodynamic fins ran along the sides, channeling airflow like a stealth aircraft. The roof held solar titanium panels that shimmered under light, powering the motorhome off-grid. Massive gold-accented wheels completed the look, pure Lamborghini heritage, scaled to a monumental size. Even standing still, the vehicle looked fast, loud, and ready to dominate any highway. Beneath its sculpted carbon fiber skin, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome carried the heart of a monster, a hybrid V12 powertrain delivering over 900 horsepower. It was the first motorhome in history capable of accelerating like a supercar, reaching 0-60 mph in under 6 seconds. A high-torque electric system assisted the engine, giving instant power for mountain climbs and high-speed cruising. Despite its massive size, advanced active suspension kept the ride smooth and balanced. Lamborghini didn't build this machine to travel slowly. They built it to dominate highways with the same fury as their legendary hypercars. Stepping into the cockpit of the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome felt like entering a fighter jet fused with a supercar. The driver's seat was wrapped in signature Lamborghini leather, shaped like a high-performance racing bucket. A floating holographic HUD projected speed, torque, maps, and engine data into mid-air. The steering wheel mirrored the Revuelto's design, complete with touch-sensitive controls. An AI driving assistant monitored the road, adjusting suspension, braking, and lane position automatically. With panoramic smart glass windows offering a 180-degree view, the cockpit transformed every highway into a runway. It wasn't driving, it was piloting. Inside, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome felt nothing like an RV. It felt like a moving penthouse. The main living area opened with a soft hum as smart glass walls shifted from transparent to tinted. A retractable ceiling revealed a skylight stretching the entire length of the cabin. Italian leather couches, gold-accented panels, and ambient LED strips created a luxury lounge atmosphere. With one voice command, the room expanded, sliding panels creating a wider living space. An 80-inch OLED screen rose silently from the floor, turning the interior into a private cinema. Every detail whispered Lamborghini elegance on wheels. The private suite inside the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome felt like a 5-star hotel crafted by Italian designers. The bedroom featured a floating queen bed wrapped in Alcantara, with soft gold lighting running along the edges. Smart glass walls displayed real-time landscapes outside or shifted to calming artwork. The kitchen used sleek carbon fiber counters, a touchscreen stove, and an auto brew coffee station. Even the bathroom was futuristic. Steam glass shower, rainfall head, heated floor, and self-cleaning surfaces. Every corner blended Lamborghini's racing DNA with ultra-modern luxury, proving a motorhome could be both powerful and beautifully refined. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome wasn't just powerful, it was self-sufficient. Its roof was lined with Lamborghini's new solar titanium panels, capable of powering the entire living space without fuel for days. A massive lithium glass battery pack stored extra energy, enabling full off-grid camping anywhere in the world. An automated water recycling system purified shower and sink water instantly, while climate sensors adjusted temperature in every room. When parked, the motorhome lowered itself with auto-leveling stabilizers, transforming into a perfectly balanced luxury suite. It wasn't just an RV, it was a high-tech sanctuary designed for total freedom. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome came alive with AI intelligence. With a single voice command, holograms floated into the air. Maps, weather, engine data, interior controls. The walls responded instantly, shifting color, temperature, and lighting to match any mood. Security AI scanned surroundings in real time, detecting obstacles, vehicles, and even wildlife. Virtual windows displayed 3D environments, star maps, or live drone footage from above. Every system, from doors to appliances, was fully automated, learning the owner's habits over time. This wasn't just smart technology. It felt like the motorhome had a personality, quiet, powerful, and always aware. Driving the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome felt surreal, like commanding a supercar disguised as a luxury apartment. The hybrid V12 delivered effortless acceleration, while active air suspension adapted instantly to every bump, curve, and slope. Even at high speeds, the cabin stayed whisper quiet, thanks to noise-canceling panels and aerodynamic shaping. AI steering assistance kept the motorhome centered on the road, adjusting for wind, traffic, and terrain. Cornering felt smooth and controlled, almost impossible for a vehicle of its size. On open highways, the machine didn't just travel, it glided, turning every mile into a cinematic, Lamborghini-style experience. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome wasn't just a concept, it was a warning shot to the future. A message that mobility no longer belonged only to cars, jets, or yachts. Lamborghini proved that speed, luxury, intelligence, and freedom could merge into a single machine, one that turned the open road into a personal kingdom. Collectors worldwide rushed to reserve units, and critics called it the first supercar you can live in. But the real magic was deeper. The idea that travel could evolve, that comfort could move, and that Lamborghini's next frontier wasn't the racetrack, but the world itself.